So, hello students, how are you? So, okay, now we will start. Today we will discuss the chapter Electric Charges in the Field, class 12. So, in this chapter, in today's class, we will discuss what is how we can charge a body by induction. That means charging by induction. So, first, before going to the method by which we will charge the body by induction, we need to first understand what is induction. So induction is a process by which a metallic sphere or a metallic body can be temporarily charged in presence of another charged body near it. You understand? Means induction means without touching, without any physical contact, induction. So charging by induction, that means we charge the body. Charge the body means excess or deficiency of the electron in the body by simply putting another charged body near this metallic body. So this is called your charging by induction. So today first we will see how can a metallic sphere be negatively charged by induction method. So here we will take one neutral metallic sphere on an insulating stand. So we bring one positively charged glass rod near this metallic sphere. So what will happen? Due to induction, the negative charges will appear near the positively charged glass rod and the positive charges will appear on the opposite pole of the sphere. So this is how the body is temporarily charged by induction, and to make it permanent, that means the charging permanent, to make it negatively charged, we connect one earthing with the sphere. So the electrons from the ground will move from the ground to the sphere and it will neutralize the positive charges. What this earthing means? Earthing means it is a wire connecting the sphere and the earth. So now, as the electrons neutralizes the positive charges in the sphere, so what will happen? The sphere will now contain more number of electrons than the protons. That means it will have more negative charges. Alright? So now we remove the earthing and then we remove the glass rod. And then the sphere will be negatively charged. The next we will see how we can charge a metallic sphere positively by induction. So as earlier, so we take one metallic sphere on an insulating stand, and this time we bring one negatively charged plastic rod near the metallic sphere. So what will happen? The positive charges will accumulate near the rod and negative charges will accumulate. That means they will appear at the far end from the rod. So we connect one earthing. So the electrons from the metallic sphere will move from the sphere to the ground. So thus the metallic sphere will have more number of protons, or it will be more number of protons. That means it will be positively charged. So now we remove the earthing and then we remove the plastic rod, and the sphere converted to positively charged sphere. Then next is how can we charge two metallic spheres, one with positive charge and another with negative charge at the same time. by electric induction. So for this, we take two neutral metallic spheres onto different insulating stands so that they connect each other. Connect means the two metallic spheres, they are in contact with each other. Then we bring one positively charged glass rod near one of the metallic sphere. So due to induction, positive and negative charges will be developed like this. Then keeping this charge rod near one of the sphere, we now separate these two spheres. Then we remove the charge rod and we get two spheres, one charged with negative charge and another positively charged. So this is how we can charge two metallic spheres simultaneously, one with negative charge and another with positive charge. So this is lockdown period. All of you are must be studying very um, hard. Are you? So anyway, take care of your health, and if you have some questions and some confusions, then you can contact me. I have given my number and my communication. So and also you subscribe the channel, and because if you subscribe, then you will get a notification of my next classes, and we will discuss this kind of topics here. And again, thank you, and see you in the next class.